I'm back with grocery shopping.
What'd you buy?
I spent all the money on bread.
All the money.
All of it.
You realize how broke we are, right? We have like 50 people in this house. We're so broke we created a class lower than poverty. We're in so much debt. Why would you do this?
I thought we wanted more bread. There was only like 2 loaves.
2 loaves?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get a second job or something. I'm working all the shifts at my work. I literally do everything. How about you sign up for like DoorDash or something? You like to cook, right?
Yeah, I can do that. Let me sign up. DoorDash. I can't. Thank you.
My phone.
2 very boring minutes later.
Hey, Mario! I'm gonna order some food off for DoorDash.
No, you're not.
What? Why?
We have no money. It's been all spent because of you and your shenanigans, Carl, and everyone in this house being bad with money.
I guess that's a good point. You're right, Mario. You're right. I'm gonna go over here for a second. I just ordered the food.
Why?
It look good.
I just told you not to.
But I need to eat.
Oh my gosh. We have so much bread in the cabinet, you idiot.
Wait. Plus tax.
A few minutes later.
Okay, we're making mushroom pizza. One of my favorites. Gotta get the dough. Yeah. Yeah. There's the bread. Now gotta put the sauce on it. All done. Gotta get the cheese. Gotta go there. That's that. Yeah. Now, I only need mushrooms now.
Hey, girl!
All done. Yeah. Pizza, go back, bake, 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 bake. It's probably good enough. Looks so good.
A few minutes later.
Hey, Mario! Look at my food! They finally got done!
That is not food! What is that?
It's pizza!
How much money did you spend on that?
About $52!
50!
Wait!
That is not pizza! That is a disgrace! More of a disgrace than you!
Wait!
Oh my gosh!
It's not yours, though! Calm down! Calm down! It says
You
pizza!
better eat it all! If that plate is not clean...
Wait! Smell it. I get it, Mario. It's so good. It's so good you just puked your insides out.
I'm done with it.
Looks delicious to me.
2 very boring minutes later.
Later. Goofy! What are you doing here? I've had a long night. What do you want?
Well, see, I need some cough medicine. Old mouse needs it.
You can order it from the internet or something.
Hey! I don't like Amazon.
Oh, okay. How about you go to like DoorDash and order from Carl86?
Someone makes it. Carl.
Yeah, Carl. He makes
I know him.
everything. Well,
All right. Can I borrow your phone over there?
I wouldn't like that, but like, sure, I guess.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
A few minutes later.
This my new customer wants me to make custom. Gotta get the healing cheese. Cause gotta help your throat when you cough. That's a good amount. Go right up. Don't want to get stale. Yeah. Now we need the special red stuff. I don't really know what this is. Put that in there. Yeah. And now, final touch. Milk. Coffee milk. Yeah, cough syrup. Cough syrup. Look at that. Now, it's done. Woo. Yep, time to make my mess. Well, let me put no cups around. I'll be sure. I'll go. Gotta be pristine with this. My recipe. Yep. Yep. Spoon. Now, brush it up. Probably good enough. Wait. Here you go.